Are you wondering what terms like COWASH mean? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you hair terms, and also stick till the end. I'll be sharing with you bonus hair terms that you need to know when you turn natural. Hi guys, welcome back to Natural Tribe. My name is Ziri, and here on Natural Tribe we teach you how to scale your hair goals, lifestyle, and get some chit chat. So if you're not subscribed, baby, you're missing out. You don't want to join my fan base? Like, really? But guys, click the subscribe button. If you're new, please click the subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell to get notified when I post a new video. And finally, you can like this video so YouTube and everybody that's in it is going to know that this video, if you're one of those naturals that scratch their head because they don't know what COWASH means or they don't know what Prepoo means, in this video I'm going to be breaking it down into 3 categories: the common, the uncommon, and things you actually need to know turning. We are going to be starting with the common hair terms. First on our list is big chop. What is big chop? Big chop is when you cut all your relaxed hair off. Like, you say, bye bye boo, I don't want to be using chemical no more. I don't even want to see, I want to change my look and look extra confident. It's only a confident person that can cut all their hair. Guys, next up is transitioning. Transitioning is the last time you had relaxer in your hair till the current state you're in now. Like, the last time you had relaxer, and maybe today is 18th September till 18th September, the period at which these 2 incidents are is called your transitioning. So next up is ABS, African Black Soap. It has all natural ingredients, and also it can be used as a shampoo for your hair. If you're looking for an alternative to your shampoo, then African Black Soap got you covered. For me, I use African Black Soap to wash my hair, and as you can see, my scalp is clean, and I'll be rocking my mini twist back, a diva that I am. But we are talking about African Black Soap. Let's get back into that. If you want to see how I make my DIY shampoo, let me know down below. Let me know. Say hi boo, hi boo. I want to know how to make my very own DIY hair shampoo that will stop itching and make your scalp look clean like mine. Next up, we have Prepoo. Prepoo refers to applying oils and conditioners on your hair before shampooing. This helps to relieve your hair from feeling stripped after washing, and also helps to soften your hair and prepare your hair for the wash day process. So now we're going to be talking about COWASH. I'm sure you were scratching your head when I said COWASH in the beginning, and now I'm going to be explaining what COWASH means. COWASH is or refers to conditioner only wash. Is when you wash your hair with only conditioner instead of a shampoo. You are skipping the shampoo and washing with only conditioner. For me, co-washing has been like a game changer in my, like, retaining moisture in my hair. I'm like, hey, me and co-wash, we are married right now. We are like, if I don't co-wash, you know that. Deep conditioning is using a deep conditioning treatment to add extra moisture into your hair. It can be done weekly or bi-weekly, and some people actually do it once a month, but for me, I do my weekly because I usually am always on my natural hair. Like, I know I'm feeling my hair too much, but yes, you can do it weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. And if you want to see my updated DIY deep conditioning treatment, please let me know below and leave a comment below. Let me know how to serve you. Last on the common hair test, ACV. ACV is apple cider vinegar, and is used as a rinse to close your hair follicles. It's also used as a clarifying treatment with bentonite clay, and serves as a remedy for dandruff and itchy scalp. Under our uncommon natural hair terms, we have bagging method. Bagging method simply means covering your whole hair, soaking your whole hair with a moisturizer or a conditioner, and covering it up with a plastic cap, serving wrap, or a shower cap. The rhyme is just there. Next up is banding method. Banding method refers to using hair ties to tie your hair down the section to the end of your head. This can also be used as a stretching method, and I have a video where I share 4 ways in which you can stretch your hair without heat. Links in the description below. Next up, we have pineappling. Pineappling is a nighttime routine where you actually pack all your hair or gather all your hair loosely in front to protect your ends. You can also use a scrunchie and have this effect where you use a scrunchie and gather your hair up and use your bonnet and sleep at night. Use your bonnet to sleep at night, and that is a bonus tip for you. That is all for our uncommon hair trends. Now we are going into the bonus things you must know when you are going natural. So we're starting with hair porosity. Hair porosity is the ability of moisture to enter into your hair or to be absorbed into your porosity. Can also be classified into low porosity, high porosity, and medium. Hair density is the number of hair growing on your scalp per square inch. It can be classified into low density, high density, and medium density. It is the measure of the thickness or circumference of an individual. Last off, we have EVOC and EVOO. If you don't know what that means, EVOC is extra virgin coconut oil, and EVOO is EVOO, means extra virgin olive oil. That is super stoked that I did this because I love teaching young naturals new things, and I'm happy that you're going to have some new lingos to speak with other naturals. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'm so stoked, I'm so happy. This is cool. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're oldie, please tell your friends to subscribe. Let's reach 100. I don't want to beg no more. Let's do something. So if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're oldie, tell your friends to subscribe. Share this video. Please share this video so people can know that a girl named Ziri is doing something. And lastly, like this video because you're feeling my vibe. Until next time, look good, feel good, and pray. Bye. Look at how my lips look. Look at the lips are popping. Are you fucking kidding me? My lips are popping.